Woo! Okay, got it started. Ha! So, we're gonna the old and get down here on the floor. And open this. I don't know. Blessings of Canaries? I don't know what it was. It's a BoC. And Woot has been so terrible lately that I'm sure it's extra disappointing. Because when life gives you crap, put it in this bag. So we'll do that. There we go. There's our bag of disappointment. Look, disappointing already. It's full of packing. There you go. Oh gosh. That's heavier than expected. Oh look, it's scale. It is a Eufy scale. Which has a Bluetooth symbol on the bottom, so it's smart-ish. Yeah, it's a smart scale right there. And it takes 4 AAA batteries. There we go. Oh look, look, it's a piggy bank. It's the BoC Fun piggy bank. That's good. Oh man, what do we have here? Baby Lum. Stainless steel kids cutlery. It's a 16-piece set. My wife will love this. Why is she not here to see this? She will be so excited. Except that it's baby stuff. Look, there is something in the bottom of this box that's hidden under the flap of the box. Health and Wellness Quick Start Guide. I think this goes with the scale. Okay, these are instructions for the scale. Okay, and what is this last thing in here? Man, this is smaller than they used to be. They used to come with all sorts of little pieces of junk. It's been a long time since I've gotten a bag of crap. A memory foam contour bed pillow. Man, maybe this will help my neck because I've been sleeping terribly on pillows lately. Man, Woot, you failed. You're letting me down by sending me actual decent stuff. I'm kind of disappointed, Woot. I'm kind of disappointed. I gotta say, this is disappointing.